Decatur is one of our 8 elementary schools in Temple ISD, and it serves more than 300 students that are proud to call themselves Cougars. This campus was built in 1964 and most recently received upgrades in 2012. This project called for about $1.6 million out of the $136.5 million bond passed in 2015. The project included the renovation of the campus's special education space, restrooms and various ADA upgrades, corridors, playground improvements, as well as the construction of a new library for students to explore books in any of the flexible seating options that this new space has to offer.